Hey, it's Ray here, and if you're a local business owner, you already know that getting online reviews can be a huge benefit for your business. Not only can it build you a great online reputation, but it can actually lead to new sales. Unfortunately, there are 4 things that tend to hold businesses back from getting more online reviews. 1, employees simply forget to ask customers to leave a review. 2, you don't have a system that'll go back and ask past customers to leave a review. 3, you may be a little worried that once in a while you're going to get a not so great review. And number 4, once you get all these reviews, you have no way to show them to the world. Well, what if I told you there's a new program that's going to solve all 4 of those problems? 1, it's going to ask every single customer to leave a 5-star review. 2, it's going to go back and ask past customers to leave reviews. 3, it's going to make sure that those less than 5-star reviews kind of get put off to the side and that people only see the 5-star reviews. And number 4, it's going to display all your great reviews so that the world can see just how good you are. If this sounds like something that would benefit your business, then what I want you to do is click the link down below this video to see how we can help your business to get more 5-star reviews.